YouTube, and we're back with another rendition of Let's Do a Walkthrough. So I'm Nate, you got Mr. Carl behind the camera, and then you got Joe, the new guy.
The new guy.
Yeah, I was trying to put Joe and new together. Alrighty, so anyway, we are going to go through a Palomino backpack camper. It's a truck camper. Don't let it fool you. This thing is a little small, but it packs a powerful punch. It's got all the bells and whistles that you can want. Tankless water heater, solar panel, push button awning, and all that cool stuff. It's also Amish built. So come on this way and I'll go through some of the cool features. So it's got the Happy Jack system here. It does have a manual override that you can use right here, but there's also a push button one with a remote control in there. You can either do it directly in, or I believe this one, it is connected wirelessly too, so you can probably do both. No, for sure it's wired in. So you also got your tankless water heater right here, which is very nice, very convenient to have. You got your freshwater storage tank, which I believe is about 15 gallons or so. I'll post the specs below so you guys know what the exact amount is for everything. You also got your direct water in. This looks like a little bit of a drain of some sorts. You got a furnace, you got your outdoor receptacles, you got a little storage cubby hole. So right now it's got the power cord in it, but you can put any type of goodies. You can also access this from inside too, if you ever needed to, so it can be either indoor or outdoor storage. Whatever you need. It does come with 30 amp, so it does have an AC unit on it. You got cable and satellite connections and an outdoor shower. Oh, it also has a stove, which seems to be pretty standard features on all of the Palominos. Every one that I've been through has a stove vent, which is really nice. It sucks all that hot air and smoke. And you need that in a camper, especially if you're cooking bacon or something of the sort. Something that really produces a lot of smoke.
You don't want to smell bacon for 4 hours straight.
Well, some people do. I don't mind it, but other people don't. So this also does have a little wet bath in it, which is nice. So here's your sewer outlet, and then this is your connection to the tank levers. Sure. Yeah, there's no little outdoor thing. So moving around, let's see if there's any other goodies out here. Oh yes. So here's your awning and your outdoor system. I'll have to see. You wait right here. Post-production. Alright, so you got your vent for your AC, and then you got a nice little propane tank in here. So this would be for your water heater, your stove, and your furnace.
Basically everything that needs propane.
Yep. Alright. It does have Wi-Fi ready, so you can get Wi-Fi extender in here. I'll have you go up in there first, Mr. Carl. You can see the luxurious, spacious backpack camper, as long as the table isn't in the way. But this is a nice, easily removable table, and then this folds into a bed. It's like a jackknife, so you can have friends or family or a little kiddo, or two little kiddos, or dogs. Possibilities are endless.
Or a mix of all.
A mix of all. If you have a really close family, they can all cram here on the couch. If you look behind you, there's a queen-size bed up there with a nice little big window in the front, and then there's one on the side. And then you can see that they have speakers up there. They also have USB chargers, and then there's just tons of storage and little cubbies kind of all over the place.
And a fantastic fan.
Oh yes, let's not forget that. The fantastic fans are really wonderful. You can see, oh yeah, we'll go back here. Right here is a nice little mini fridge. It's the 3-way, so it has option for propane, 12 volt, and regular power. So that's nice. You got a little freezer in here as well too. Very convenient. Pack it, especially a weekend trip out. Really, if you like going off the roads, this thing's perfect for it. Or just like easy travel, you know, you pull over, you take a nap, etc. What else was I going to say? Tankless water heater control. yeah, here's your power station. So you got awning lights, porch lights, living room lights, your battery sensor, fresh, black, all that good stuff. You got a nice little suburban stove right here. You got a microwave. You got a little mini
Baby sink.
baby sink. Thing's adorable. Little baby sink. There you go. That's how it goes. It was set up the wrong way. But you got your little roll-up dry mat, which is nice. It can also go over there to provide extra counter space. You got a nice little light, some storage. You got furnace. It has the auto detect for the lithium. I like that. Down at the converter.
This here?
No, that's the solar controller. Down there, the converter. In the, Yep.
Nice.
So if you wanted to swap out your lithium batteries for your lead acid deep cycle batteries for your lithium, very easy to do. What else is there? There's the bathroom. Also, there's little cup holders right there, which is kind of cool.
And there's one on the other side too.
Yeah. You get your nice refreshments. Of course, more storage. It does pack a lot of little storage here and there. They throw storage everywhere they can. But in the bathroom, you got a good sized little wet bath. I mean, it's great for just small road travel and everything.
It's all you need when you're going out for a weekend.
But yeah, yep. As in all of the Palomino products, that they are all homage built, so it just means good quality craftsmanship, durability. They're going to last you a little while, and it's quite a good bang for your buck. I think this one is mid-20s or so as far as the price point. Definitely under 30,000. Comparative to some that you see like the North Star and the Lance, you know, they start at what, 50, 40,000. They're pretty well up
It's like
there.
mid to high 40s starting.
Yeah, so you get all of the great features and craftsmanship and durability and everything for a fraction of the price compared to the other ones. Personally, I would probably take a Palomino. It's the best bang for your buck over the other big ones. So anyway, my name's Nate again. You got Carl behind the camera. You got the new guy, Joe. Got it right this time. And this is the Palomino Backpack Camper. Check out all of our inventory at rvparadise.com. Again, I'll post the stats or the specs in the description below. Thanks guys, have a good one.